Hey, how's it going? This is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time. The show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got something a little different, perhaps a little silly, but it was recommended to me that I give this a try and give it a shot and see what happens, so that's what I'm doing. So apparently there's somebody who's famous and her name is Kylie Jenner. I know nothing about her. I know she was Bruce Jenner's kid until Bruce Jenner became... I can't remember, but decided to be a lady, which is cool. I'm totally down with that. Yeah, now I can't even remember the name because it was everywhere and I should remember that. Anyways, when I grew up, the name Bruce Jenner was everywhere, so. But anyways, I guess Kylie Jenner posted something on Snapchat a while back, a recipe that she does for her ramen. And I was told, hey dude, you should weigh in on this and give it a try. Now the tricky part is she just shows a picture and she says, I add egg, butter, and garlic powder. Nothing about the brand, nothing about draining, although from the picture it definitely looks like the noodles get drained. And then nothing about the sachet. But I'm gonna go with these Maruchan chicken in the new packaging. Does that sound good, Miles? Miles is torturing the dog currently because he's a good boy and he knows what's up. Today is Veterans Day. I'm putting the noodles in the pot and I will show you what that looks like because you need to know what that looks like. 1, 2, 3 minutes. Here's the noodles in the pot. And they are cooking. So this is fun, right? Miles, is this fun? Yeah? 2 minutes and 39 seconds remaining. And it's starting to boil over. So nothing is really said about how, when, why, what, where, as far as like measuring amounts or how the egg is added or if the noodles are drained. From the picture it really looks like there's very little broth, but who knows, you might like to drink the broth off and then eat the noodles. I really don't know. It's funny because it's so vague. So I think I'm gonna make it the way I would make it, logically, distinctly, and perfectly. So what's gonna happen next, come on noodles, we're gonna drain off an amount of the liquid and then we're gonna return it to a boil and we're gonna add that egg in. And then we're gonna add the butter and garlic powder. Now, then there's a question. I don't know. Some people really like it, some people don't. She strikes me as a person that would be adding the seasoning sachet in right now, actually. Either that, or she's one of those people that'd be like, yeah, that's gross, I don't like that. I really don't know. So I'm adding it in. 48 seconds remaining on the boil. We'll give it a stir. You're gonna want to see this. Oh boy. No messing around here, the Ramen Rater's utility muffin workshop kitchen kind of deal. Got my DMD, my Diet Mountain Dew, ready to go. else. You don't need any caffeine. Alright. Now, we got this stuff all ready. Let's drain a little bit of the broth off. I know you're going to be like, you're going to lose the flavor. No. 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 Alright. Oh, get back in there, Kylie Jenner Ramen. Jeepers. Alright, so there's a lot less broth going on. I'm cracking this egg in here. I saw other recipes where people added a beaten egg, but, you know, I'm going to crack it in here, put it back on the heat, and then we'll beat the heat. Here you go. Look at that. Whoa! It's insanity. I'm guessing this will be pretty good. I mean, this is something I would have done when I was a kid. And granted, I know some of you spend a lot of time on your ramen. Some of you don't. But I hate to break it to you, but most people, when they think instant noodles, I'm hungry, I gotta do this, Alright. That seems like a generous amount. Get it? See what I did there? I hope I did something that doesn't offend Kylie Jenner fans. God dang it. I just wish I could remember what his or her name is now. It was Bruce Jenner. I mean, I know it's not Kylie Jenner. That's his daughter, or her daughter. It's so confusing. God. I got some butter. I'm trying to envision, like, yeah, does that sound right? I'm trying to envision a famous young woman making instant noodles. Probably in flannel pajamas. I don't know. That's what I'm wearing. I figured it would probably work better that way. I think that's probably good on the heat. Let's see. This, yeah, you know what this is starting to feel like? This is starting to feel... Oh, look at that. There's the little wispies. I think I cracked the code, yo. This is what it's all about, folks. But I need a... I know exactly which plate I need, because I've got a plate that's somewhat like the one in the thing here. Look, it's like covered. I was going to use this bowl, but I think the plate action is where it's at. But it was all white, and it wasn't extremely deep. Well, where'd it go? Oh, man. Where's my all white, not extremely deep plate? There it is. Nuts ends and peanut butter. Don't have my Canadian groove on right now. But best believe we'll be going back to Canada and get the ones with the 2 bears on it. These are all the bowls. Alright. So, let's... Whoa there, Chachi. Let's back up a little in bits. Now, what we got? Nicely congealy and I'm calling this Kylie Jenner Ramen. I noticed people using like Sapporo Ichiban and stuff like that. It's like, yeah, maybe. I don't know. Some more egg. See, that looks more like what I saw, just like in the mix. So there's my Kylie Jenner Ramen. Now, I guess it's time I try it. And here is the Ramen Rater's take on the very vague recipe and ingredients of the Kylie Jenner Ramen. I like that. I'd eat that again. Have a couple bites. The egg is good. I like egg. I mean, I used to like make ramen, drop the egg in, stir it up, thicken it up. I mean, honestly, let's see what happens when I do this. That's even more garlic powder. It needs something. Man, am I out of it? I think I'm out of it. Unless that's it right here. No, that ain't it. Well, normally I like to use crispy garlic, but crispy onions will do great. So you got these fresh gourmet crispy onions. Crunch them up really good. Put them all over it. Because then you get the crunchy too. See? Crispy onion. We give that a try. And you keep the bag next to you, like putting milk on cereal or putting extra cereal in your bowl that already has milk in it. Crispy onions that kind of want to get away from me, but they won't. That's good. I think it's funny that there are people that like got all over her case for saying that's how she eats her noodles. Well, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment with your noodles every day. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe. And yeah, because that's fun for you, fun for me. And here's other stuff to look at. So, yeah. All right. Have a good one. Bye.